Hello guys, welcome to Software YouTube channel. Myself Saransh Kumar Tripathi. Today I am going to tell about Teachmint app. You have to go first of all in Play Store. Okay, then you have Play Store. You gone. You have to go on search bar. Here you have to search Teachmint app. Okay. Here you will search. Then first of all here icon came. You have to touch here. You have to install this app. I have installed already. You have to open this app. You will open the app. First of all you will not get this page. You will got one page where you have to enter your mobile number. Then OTP will come. You have to put OTP. Then you have to this page will open. Here you have to create your class here. Okay, here you will create your class. You will put your class name, subject, and here you have to put school college classes. Okay, I have created already. See here, like 10th mathematics, 10th Hindi. Okay, here you will get recording. Here two recordings are there. You will share on YouTube or otherwise, and like this you will get right icon or cross icon. You will put on cross icon. Student will not no taxes. Okay, here you will get like this or this. You have to put on if you know the students it is not a strange, you can put the right icon. Okay, otherwise you know it is strange, it is not in my class, you have to put cross. Okay, these things open. Here you will get that all the chats. Okay, you can create your test recording summary. Here you can get your attendance. Here I will show you attendance. Please wait some minutes. Okay, with device you will get. Here you will put on notice board also, assignments, study materials. One second. Timetables. Here you have to put from which timing to which timing your class is there. Okay, all things are over. Okay, thank you. Like, subscribe, comment, keep supporting. Thank you.